On February 15th, 2021, I participated in the Great Backyard Bird Count and reported the birds I saw, and these are the birds that I saw. But the squirrel, he was really making us laugh out loud. Pop! It's kind of like pop goes the weasel, but it's a squirrel. He's digging underneath, looking for food and making a path underneath. This is a white-throated sparrow. I can see his white throat, but I really love the little yellow eyebrows and the stripes on his head. This is the Carolina chickadee. It's so adorable. It hangs upside down and it's just so acrobatic. And I like the white stripe across its face and the black stripe on the top of his head and the long beak. This is a dark-eyed Junko, and I love its gray and white colors and little pink beak. I think it's just such a lovely bird with cute feathers. I quite enjoy watching this bird. This squirrel was cracking me up, how it was standing up, begging like a dog would beg. And this is a house finch. They frequent our yard a lot. I love the red and the white and all fluffed out. Isn't it adorable? This is the American bluebird. I love the dark blue and brown colors. It's such a delightful, pretty bird. I think everybody loves the American bluebird. Peek! Look at it all puffed up there. So this is the Carolina wren, and they're kind of normal birds. They don't do anything too strange. They are eating with a woodpecker on the same suet feeder. I like the streak of white on his face. This is a house sparrow. It's got some fun colors and textures on its wings, and it's very frequent in the yard. Seems to always be here year round. And this is a Downy Woodpecker. Now, there was a male Downy Woodpecker, but I have not been able to capture him with my lens yet. He keeps flying away every time I'm ready to snap that photo. This is a male cardinal, and I think he's highly recognizable by most people. So beautiful. And here is the female cardinal, not quite as showy as the male, but also very recognizable and well loved and welcomed in most any yard. Isn't it a beautiful bird? And this is the European starling, and it's recognizable by all those dots on its black fur. And this is a mean bird. It chases away the other birds and hogs the feeders and is rather a glutton, not wanting to share the food with others. And this is a tufted tit mouse. And I love these. I just love the little fur cap, just like a blue jay has, that comes to a point. And they're small and they have this adorable color. They have this brown kind of on the edges of their white bellies, which also makes them recognizable from other birds. Sometimes they're easily confused, I think, but I just love them. This is a tufted tit mouse.
They have yellow underneath, and they have that hair on the head that kind of looks like a blue jay spike. Crazy swirling wind. That female cardinal is back.
It really snowed, and it was really coming down this much for all hours of the day. And I believe we measured in our own yard when it was all done about 10 inches. Took me an hour and 15 minutes to shovel my driveway.
There's a female cardinal in the snow. Snow is just falling. The European starlings like to hang out on my potting plant pots because it's under the overhang and warmer. The squirrel keeps digging for bird seed. Look at the hair standing up. Oh, that's his tail. So these are European starlings, and they chase away all the other birds, and they're gluttons. They never stop coming to eat. He works so hard for his food.